Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, guys, it's super quick, but it's super important. Why? Because it's 2021. We about 2 months into it, and I just want to give a little bit of motivation for anybody who's watching this and like, yo, obviously you're interested in making money online, obviously. So my whole thing is to let you know, now is a better time than ever any in the history of the world to start trying to make money online. Why? Because it's so many opportunities online that will allow you to start making some sort of income, whether it be a little bit or whether it be like some six-figure business type situation. You actually can make it happen, right? And what I recommend people doing is it's fine to watch YouTube videos, right? It's all good if you're watching this. It's fine to do all that, but you have to be prepared to take action in whatever it is you're trying to do. Because if you're new to making money online or you've been struggling, there's so many opportunities out there. I'm sure you're aware of that. And it could become, super time consuming. It can become stressful, especially if you really want to start making money. But you have to really hone in on the idea and believe in the idea of making money online. And most people, with my experience, most people don't want to make $20 a month online. Most people want to make a solid part-time income, and even more people want to make a full-time income online. Just be aware that you have to mentally be ready for the grind that comes with it, because yes, it's very possible to do it, but yes, it's going to take some effort, right, on your behalf to do it. But just know in 2021 and beyond, it's so possible, because guys, you can do YouTube. Do you know how many people are making money from YouTube? Just doing YouTube, right? You seen the course at the beginning. If you interested in being a YouTuber and making money from YouTube, definitely check that course out. Invest in yourself. Invest in that course if that's what you want to do. But you ain't got to do that, right? You can do article writing. You can do you can still do websites for people, believe it or not. You still can do so much freelance work, right? Tons and tons. If you do video editing, like I said, writing, online acting jobs. You can do so many things online. You could be a social media consultant for companies. You could be a social media consultant for online influencers. You could do podcasts now, right? The sky's the limit, right? That's what I'm trying to really get that into your head, because it really sunk into me this year, because I gotta pay taxes this year on my YouTube earnings. And it sucks to see, like, oh, I gotta pay tax on it. But at the same time, it's a good feeling to know that I'm making money. You know what I'm saying? From YouTube and other ventures, which is really, really cool. So yeah, it's 2021. Like, really ask yourself, do I really want to make money online? Do I really want to pursue this? Because, like I keep stressing, it's so possible to do right now. But it has to take some sort of commitment from you if you really want to start, doing this whole entrepreneur, online boss, work for yourself type thing. A lot of people are doing this, guys. The question is, are you going to be one of them?